I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. So today I am giving you the review of the chapter. The chapter is your factors and multiples. In this chapter, what you had studied, first of all, you had studied what are factors, what are prime numbers, what are composite numbers, what are factors, and how to find out the HCF and LCM by different methods. So quickly briefing the topics, I am going to start. First topic is your prime numbers, the numbers which has only two factors. So the number which are having two factors are known as your prime numbers. So this is beneficial for you to learn first 10 prime numbers so that you can be able to do the prime factorization. Smallest prime number is your 2. Next, composite number which are having more than 2 factors. So smallest composite number will be your 4. Next definition is your factor, any number which is exactly divisible to the number. Means suppose we have to find out the factors of 6. So factors of 6 are your 1, 2, 3 and 6. I had given you the properties of factors also. Properties of factors says what? That 1 will be the always the factor of every number, and the factor of any number will be less than the given number or equal to the given number. So this is a definition of your factor. Next is your example. I had taken 18. So these are your factors of 18. These factors we can take out by using two methods, by multiplication method and by division method. By multiplication method means we have to write all the tables in which 18 is coming. So 1 into 18 equals to 18, 2 into 9 18, 3 6 is 18, and next if we will see the table in which 18 is coming is your 6 3s are 18. These two steps are repeating, so this here you have to stop. So you have to write the factors of 18 as U shape, which I has mentioned here. So these are your 1 2 3 6. 3 6 you don't have to repeat again. 9 and 18, same as by division. If we will divide 18 by 1, then your answer will be 18. 18 divided by 2 9. 18 divided by 3 is your 6, and 18 divided by 6 equals to 3. These two steps are repeating, so stop it here and write the factor as a U shape. So either of the method you can use it. It is not that you have to use both the methods, or you can use the method which is given to you in paper, that you have to do the factors by multiplication or by division. Next topic is your divisibility test. By 2, if last digit is your 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is divisible by 2. By 3, sum of all the digit of numbers should be exactly divisible by 3. Means if any number is given to you, you have to add all the digits. And then if it is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. By 4, you have to take the last two digits. If the last two digit is divisible by 4, the number is also divisible by 4. By 5, last digit should be 0 and 5. 6, divisible by 2 and 3. Means if the number should be divisible by 6, it means that the number should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. By 7, it is not for the class 7th, only the 6th class will do this, and which I had explained you very nicely. By 8, you have to take the last 3 digits. If last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then the number is also divisible by 8. By 9, you have to add all the digits of you have to add all the digits of a number, and if it is divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. The next is your by 11. You have to sum the digit at even places and sum of the digit at odd places. You have to add it both, and then you have to subtract it. If the difference comes out to be 0 and a multiple of 11, then the number is also divisible by your 11. Next is you have to calculate the HCF. So you are having three methods: by factor method, by prime factorization method, and by division method. If it is given in paper that you have to calculate the HCF by factor method, then you will use only factor method. If it is given prime factorization method, you will use only this method. If it is not given any method, you can use any one of the method. To calculate LCM also we are having three different methods: by multiple method, means by writing the table; by prime factorization method; by division method. So first of all, I am explaining you the HCF by factor method. In this, what you have to do, first of all, you have to write all the factors of 36 and 48 separately in this way you can write. Here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are common in these two. So common factors are your this. HCF will be your highest common factor among the common factors. So 12 is the highest, so HCF will be your 12. This is your factor method. Next is your prime factorization method. As the name suggests, you have to first prime factorize both the numbers. You will write like this. Then what is common in both the numbers, you have to take only that. Here 2 is common, next 2 is common, and 1, 3, this is common. Any other factor is not common, so you will not take any other. So these only 3 factors are common here, 2, 2 and 3. So if you will multiply this, you will get your HCF as 12. Here also you are getting your HCF 12, and here also you are getting your HCF 12 because I had taken the same example. Third is your by division method. Division method is your the method in which you have to divide the smallest number. So smallest is your 36 and you will divide it by 48. So if you will divide, then you will get a 12 as remainder. Then next you will take the divisor as a dividend now, and you will do up to when the remainder is not equals to 0. So here also your HCF equals to 12. The HCF will be the divisor of the last division. So next is your by LCM. By multiple method means you have to write the tables of both the given numbers. Then you have to take out the common multiple and the lowest one. So we have to take out only one, means lowest, that will be your only LCM. So I had not taken further. So you have to write the multiple of 6 like this, multiple of 48 like this, and 144 is common in both. That will be only the lowest. So LCM will be 144. Next is your by prime factorization method. First of all, you will prime factorize both the number, then you will write like this, and in this LCM you have to take the greatest time, you can say, or largest time the number is repeating itself. Here 2 is repeating 2 times, here 2 is repeating 4 times, so you will take 2 4 times, and here 3 is repeating 3 times, and 3 is repeating 1 time, so you will take 3 2 times. So the LCM will be your 144. Division method also I had told you previous only. So in this way, if you will calculate, then the answer comes out to be your 144. So in all the 3 methods, you are getting your LCM is 144. Now last topic is your relationship between HCF and LCM and product of two numbers. You know, product of two number equals to LCM into HCF. If you have to find the HCF and product of two numbers and LCM is given, then you will do like this. And if you have to find out LCM, then you will do like this. And second number you have to find, you will divide the first number. And first number you have to find out, then you will divide the second number. LCM into HCF by second number. This is the complete chapter of your factors and multiples. I hope you understand. So please go through this video, and then I will give you some questions, and please do that. So thank you and have a nice day.